Invoiced, I'll guide you how you can create the guide. Click here to proceed with creating a credit note. Getting credit note is very simple. You can create note ideally for an invoice or sometimes just for a customer. For creating a credit note, go to a selling section. Click Sales Invoice to view all invoices available for credit note creation. You have created in. Let's say I want to create a credit card note for this. I can go click on this, click on Create. Click Create to start generating a credit note for the selected invoice. Create a credit note. By default, it will show you all the items in this. Let's say I have got returned for a muley. And then I'll delete the rest of the items, and for this, I'll change the quantity to, okay, not 15, but 10 pieces is what he's returning in the rates, and I'll get applied, and then you save it. Click the drop-down to access additional credit note options. Click here to view the credit note details. It will not the CNCs, and for what SI series. And you approve it. Click Approve to finalize the credit note. So the credit note gets created. Click here to view the created credit note record. And it will get adjusted to the particular invoice. Now, there could be a scenario in which you want to create a credit note without linking to an invoice or linking to a previous, like 3-4 orders coming up together, and you want to click on Add Sales. Invoice, choose a customer here. Secret note is typically an invoice itself. It's a return note. So that is why it's part of the Sales Invoice section. Choose a customer, click on as written true. Then, click here to continue entering credit note details. You need to remember that whenever you are creating a credit note, you need to mention quantities and negative, so -5. Click the item quantity field to specify the amount for the credit note. Then save it, so this will get credited credit note. Okay, now you just approve it. Click Actions to access further options for the credit note. And this gets created. Okay, so there's a quick way just to give a brief. There are 2 ways you can create a note for invoice in credit against an invoice, or you can create credit note just by default for all the items together into one simple credit note. Click here to view credit note details. Cool. And to navigate, you need to go to the selling sections, and here you will find Sales Invoice section here, and you'll see all the credit notes listed here. Okay, so same one or similar thing. You can add a click on Add, and you can create a credit note from here. Click on to confirm credit note creation. Cool. Thanks for watching. You have successfully edited an invoice and created credit notes using the selling section. To verify, check that amended invoices are approved and credit notes are linked or created as needed. For further assistance, explore related invoicing and credit management features.